Hi, this is Matt with Holly Inspections. I want to take a second and kind of show everybody lead-based paint. Something that's not around a lot anymore, hasn't been used since the mid-70s, but it is still out here and a lot of people don't know it when they see it. So we're going to just use this wall right here on this house. You see how it's in little squares, especially up in here and stuff? That's all quick indicators that it's lead-based paint. This is found all throughout this house. On the exterior walls, the windows, the doors, there's quite a bit of lead-based paint present on this house. So this is going to need to be properly cleaned and then repainted to seal it all up. For all your home inspection needs in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Holly Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.